Here today I wanted to show you an unboxing of XtremepowerUS Demolition hammer. This is their little electric jackhammer. Their brand, I believe, is Stark, as seen on the box. So it is a 1000 watt electric hammer. Let me show you what's included in the box. So it does come in its own plastic carrying case. Inside of the box we have the actual hammer. We have an instruction booklet. We have a tool here which I'll show you what it's for later. A little pack of grease, and we have 2 bits. It comes with a flat head bit and a pointed bit. As you can see here, this is the chisel one. And this is the pointed tip. So onto the hammer itself. Here it is. It's a good 8 to 10 pounds maybe. It has a handle here that you can turn and adjust to wherever you want just by screwing it there. You grease it here. The instructions say to grease it every 6 months. Like I said, you use the tool. You use this tool here. You just turn it, and it opens up the little housing. The trigger's here. It also has a lock for the trigger in case you don't want to hold the trigger down. You pull the trigger and you hit the lock, and it locks into place. And to release it, you just hold down the trigger. So that's pretty much the actual hammer. And the bit, you simply put it on by grabbing the chuck here and pulling straight down and inserting. So let me install the tip on here. And it says give it a good pull to ensure that it's in there. So there it is. So now let me try to show you the electric jackhammer in action. I don't have any concrete that I want to break up in my yard or my patio, so I got a brick here to demo it to you. It's a 4-inch brick. I have it on a piece of board so I don't break my concrete up on my garage. So here we have the hammer. So give it a try. So there it is. Not much force on there that I had to press, and it did go through it. But you know, that's basically it. So there you have it. Their electric 1000 watt jackhammer.